Hello, David here, and the project for today is making a convection oven. Well, I'm not really making a convection oven. This is an oven that I already have in my shop, and I'm adding a fan motor to make a convection. So I got an old window fan, and I got the motor out of that. The armature was too short, so I welded a screw on the armature. It's not turning perfectly true. And this is the fan that came with the window fan, but it's plastic, so I can't use that inside an oven. I'm going to cut some strips out of the sheet aluminum and screw it onto the armature. Hopefully that'll convect some air around. Build a wall through the hole of the oven. That's the inside hole. Outside hole. I'm mounting the motor with some coarse screws. I know it looks stupid, but it's working. And you know what my subscribers say, it ain't stupid if it's working. Yeah, it's pushing some air around. Enough it'll hold up under 2 hours of heat for curing Cerakote, but I'm going to give it a try. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.